Hi everyone, my name is Jacqueline Glabb and I am the owner and creator behind JackiesCharmingCreations, otherwise known as HandmadeByJCC on Etsy.com. It's a handmade jewelry company that I started back in 2014. I mainly use polymer clay, though now you can find my jewelry that I create with wire as well. I can still remember sitting in my room for the first time with polymer clay and learning how to use that medium. Back in 2014, I decided that I would open my shop on Etsy after about a year of messing with polymer clay. It was really popular then, and people were making jewelry, and that's what I got into. And so I decided that I wanted to make it full-time for myself and open a shop and give my best shot at it. And here we are today, 8 years later. I decided back in 2012 that I wanted to go to college for art, so I do have history with art, a long one. Unfortunately, college did not work out. I did decide after that to try my hand at being business owner, which I'm sure many of you know is very difficult. Delegating is not always the easiest thing. I had to stop for a little bit because I had 2 kids. I'm from Pittsburgh, and I decided that after having kids I would try to get back into it, which I did. So I then decided to go back to college. In 2019, I decided that I would go back to college for automotive high performance, which is completely out of my wheelhouse. I wanted to be smart, and I wanted to make sure that I had a backup plan. It's very difficult, but I am currently earning my degree. It's a dual degree, and I love it. Although, hopefully someday I'll get back to art. I hope the business grows enough that I will be able to make it my full-time job. It just depends on you. It depends on the people that come to my shop, and I'm only one person, and everything that you get is made from me. I'm the only one. I own the company. I am the sole maker. I delegate all the work and all the time that is put into every single piece. And the wire takes even longer because you have to twist it, and it's just a really big job. So I fortunately have an amazing support system that helps me be able to continue to create things for my company and grow my business, have a solid life, and be happy. No matter what I'm doing, I just want to be happy. As I grow, I get better. The difference from 8 years ago when I started to today is huge as well. So I encourage you, if you do want something custom, to message me on Etsy. You can also contact sales@JackiesCharmingCreations.com. I have a website. I don't have a shopping cart set up on my website, but I do have my Etsy store linked to it, so feel free to go check that out. I just really appreciate everybody that orders from me and everybody that supports me. Like me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. I'm trying as hard as I can to get some content out there to show you guys, you know, more behind the scenes and not just pictures, videos, but it's difficult. My life is full right now and I've got a lot going on. I just really appreciate the support, so thanks for watching.